Want to install Elementor on your WordPress site? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can start building beautiful pages right away. Meanwhile, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. So start by opening your browser and logging into your WordPress admin panel. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click on Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type Elementor and hit Enter. When you see the Elementor Website Builder plugin, click Install Now. Once installed, the button will change to Activate. Click it. After activation, you'll be redirected to the Plugins page, where Elementor will now appear. Click Settings next to it to open the configuration options. Next, head over to Pages and click Add New. Enter a page title like Test Page and click on Edit with Elementor at the top. The Elementor editor will load. You might see a few pop-ups or ads, but just skip them. On the left, you'll see a panel with widgets like Heading, Image, Text Editor, Button, and more. Drag and drop them into the blank area to build your page. Once you're done, click Publish at the top right. Click the hamburger icon on the top left and select Exit to Dashboard to return to the admin panel. You can revisit installed plugins to confirm Elementor is active. That's it. You're now ready to start designing like a pro with Elementor. So, are you prepared to elevate your design skills like this? Elementor is my preferred tool for this purpose. Use the affiliate link below to begin your journey immediately. If this helped, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.